So essentially this is testing 1 2 1 2 blah blah blah. This is my Yamaha Tmax, my 2005 model. There's a lot of videos coming on this, well maybe one really big video, because I took it all apart, redid the engine, suspension, filters, everything. But this video is essentially just a test to see how my new GoPro is going and everything else. Hopefully the microphone works out well. It has been a long time since I've made a video like this, and I thought, well, I've got the time, I might as well do it now. Hopefully it's not too bad. Audio quality seems to have improved nowadays with better quality microphones and everything for GoPros. I have image stabilization on with a polarizer too, so should be good. Well, also, I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but the headlights on this scooter are really bright. I put Navara headlights, I think they're called, the brand was. Quite good. A bit more about this scooter. I bought this scooter for the girlfriend. Oh, hang on. Here comes the cough. COVID. Hopefully the wind noise is not too bad. I've taken the screen off this scooter so it doesn't get all that wind buffering. There's a downside with these maxi scooters, as fun as they are, you cop a lot of wind unless you have the really big visor that sticks up the top. So what's the plans for the channel? I'll just make more content that I want to make. I'm trying to move away from making videos for the sake of making videos, well apart from this one, to making content that people will actually find informative, such as rebuilding this engine, because there's not many Tmax engine rebuild videos, or Aprilia map sensor videos, etc., like stuff I've done before. Oh yeah, so this scooter, I didn't buy this for me, I bought this for the girlfriend, because she loves jet skis and she rides jet skis. So she said, I'd like to get my bike license as well. I said, okay, what bike do you want? And then she was looking at all different types of bikes, and then she turned around and said, what are scooters like? Can you get your scooter license? And I explained the pros and cons in Australia. I won't get into it in detail, but you're better off just getting a full bike license than a scooter bike license in Australia. So what happened was, she ended up liking this scooter, but then decided she wanted a dirt bike more. So this has become my project. I'm going to put a Molossi kit on it and so on and so forth, and see whether or not I can wheelie it, because wheelies on a big maxi scooter would be fun. And I can't go outside my 5 kilometer zone too today, so I'm just zooming around. And you got to give credit to these Japanese scooters. Oh, that's a bit windy there, I don't know if you'll hear me, but these Japanese scooters, this one has done 126,000 kilometers, I think. 129,419 kilometers, there you go. Oh, what do we got here? WR250. Oh, Kawasaki. Jeez, I must be colorblind. Oh wait, I am. On that note, thanks for watching the video. I don't know how many people will actually watch this, so if you do, cool, appreciate it. Leave a comment if you'd like to say that you got this far. I generally reply to most of my comments. I seem to be pretty good like that. Yeah, video production won't really be as consistent as like every couple of days, maybe one a week. It is what it is. Hey, don't buck close. Jeez. The fuck? That guy knows me. I've chased him around on the Aprilia doing wheelies. Oh, that's why the police are there. Oh, hello. They're giving me the evil stink. Come on. Come on. Come on, do a U-turn. Do it. Okay, so I went and got the Aprilia because I thought might as well get a different bike to finish off this video. I'm using the stereo mic setting this time instead of using wind, and I took the UV filter off the GoPro, so I'm not too sure how it's going to sound. I haven't really done any sort of video with this bike at all, like the top 5 things I hate, the top 5 things I like, etc. Seems to be what everyone wants to do nowadays, so I'll get around to that once lockdown's over. I'll tell you a funny story. I'll tell you a story about these speed humps. When you have a car following you, you go over them at 60 k's an hour, and you look in the mirror to see if the car slows down for it, because most vehicles will just follow the speed of the vehicle in front, and more than likely they will just hit that speed hump at 60 k's an hour because they're looking for your brake light. So the car will just hit it and be like the whole front of the car will just smash into the ground, which is pretty funny. But I love this bike. So you're probably wondering, why would you list it for sale then? Well, because anything's for sale for a price. As much as I love this bike, how raw it is, how it sounds, how it handles, it's just, it takes a certain sort of attitude, and it's not really the most perfectly suited daily. I'll put it that way. This is something that you wouldn't want to commute on. I love it though. It's just a 750cc supermoto essentially. Well, it's a little too heavy for a supermoto, but you get the idea. Scooter, Aprilia. Thanks for watching.